In this video, I'm going to show you how to become a Binance merchant. So in order to do that, on the home page at the top left, click on the menu icon and head over to P2P. At the bottom menu, click on Profile. On this menu right here, scroll to Others, and then you're going to see an option here, Become a Merchant. Just go ahead and click on it. So right here, you can see different announcements and everything you need to know about becoming a P2P merchant. You're just going to click on this link right here, Binance P2P platform. So when this loads up, at the top right, you're going to click on the arrow down and then click on payment methods. You're going to see a button here, Become Merchant. You're going to click on Become Merchant. So there are different types of P2P merchant programs: verified merchants, cash merchant, pro merchant, block merchant. So in order to become a cash merchant or any other, you need to first of all become a verified merchant. So let's see the requirements to become a verified merchant. I'm going to click on check requirements. So we can see the requirements right here. You need to complete SMS and email authentication. You need to complete advanced identity verification. And you need to have a minimum of 0 USDT in your funding account. So when you meet these requirements, just scroll down and click on apply now. This button is going to be activated when you meet the requirements, and then Binance is going to review your application and give you a response. So that is how to become a verified merchant on Binance.